With today's strategy, you can get $2 each few minutes. You just have to set it up correctly, and it's all passive income. Hit subscribe and let's go. So, first of all, we're going to use giveaways. We're going to use some gift cards, and we're going to use Pinterest.com as a traffic source. Now, the reason why I use traffic source, which is Pinterest.com, is just because it has huge numbers of traffic. It has a wide audience and just crazy amount of people coming here each month. Okay, just have a look at this. Pinterest.com, according to SimilarWeb, it has 1.1 billion total visits each month. So tell me that this isn't crazy. It is crazy as hell. Just take a look at this. It was always like this. 1.1 billion each month is coming to Pinterest.com. And of course, you all know, the more traffic you can get online, the more money you can get for yourself. So that is why I use this one, in order to monetize my audience. So with that out of the way, we are sure that this is the right source. All you got to do is to make yourself a Pinterest account. You can do that with email right away in a second. And then we're going to create something like this, like these gift cards. Okay, we can stick to PayPal, we can stick to Amazon, and for each one of those clicks, we are going to get paid. Now, it isn't going to be like $1,000 for each one of those clicks, but it is going to be $2 at least. So, the website that I'm going to use today, maybe you have probably heard about it, it is called CPAgrip.com. Now, it's a pretty old website, and it's a pretty popular one. Just take a look at this. When you click on the register button, of course, you just have to complete some simple information about yourself, but this is what you have to do. Just click on GPT once you select your profile information, because this is the publisher tab that we're going to run. This is important. So just remember this one. Now we can go and make that money on ChatGPT like a lot of people are doing it. If you don't trust me, you can trust SimilarWeb always. Just take a look at this. 1.8 million total visits on CPAgrip.com. But this is not your website where you just go like that. All of these people who are coming on the website, they come to earn money. Okay? You don't come to CPA Grip in order to buy something, to watch news, social media posts. No. All of these people that are coming on the website, they all make money. That's why they're there. So we're going to do it as well. Once you make yourself an account, let's log in. And of course, once you log in, this is how it's going to look like on the inside. First of all, you have like this chat window, okay? And this is like information for you on how much money certain people are making. You can see that there's really good money inside of this. Some of these are getting like huge amounts of money, but of course you won't be there right off the start. Let's first get you like this Shufu boy who has earned $16 in the last 7 days. So let's just do it like that. Click on the offer tools here and then click on my offers. When you do that, you will get a lot of these offers, which are called CPA offers. Now, what does that mean? Well, CPA stands for cost per action. So whenever someone does certain action, you get paid for it. Now, it's going to be like $1, $2, $3. But you know why this is so good? Because people don't have to actually buy anything at all in order for you to get this prize. Because, for example, for this Amazon gift card, you are going to get $2 for each one of those emails submitted. So, people don't have to pay a subscription. They don't have to order something from Amazon. They can just enter their email address and they will participate in the lottery to win these $500 gift cards, okay? So that is all that they have to do. And you are going to get $2 if they sign up through your link, okay? So this is what it means. They just want to gather all of those emails, and that's why they pay $2, okay? Some of those people are going to get this gift card, but since it's a lottery, not everyone is going to win it, right? But you are going to get $2 for each one of those signups, no matter what, okay? So $2. If you get, 10 of these per day, you're going to get $20. If you get 15, you're going to get $30. And then you can just do the math. How much money is that going to be during 1 month, for example? But of course, you don't have to stop there. You have a lot of these, okay? You have a lot of offers for the United States, of course, but then of course you can just change the country in here. You can just choose whichever one, I don't know, wherever you come from, and you will see that all of these countries have some offers. But let's stick to the United States so I can just show you this as an example. So what do you have to do step by step in order to set this up and get the money this way? So let's go with, I don't know, maybe we can just choose something, but let's just stick to that Amazon gift card. We don't have to change that. You can later choose whatever you want to. So now we have to create a post. Specifically, I want to create a post for Pinterest.com because a lot of people are going to see that on Pinterest and a lot of people are going to enter that email address of theirs. And then it gives us $2. So what do we have to do? Well, we can just replicate the success of all these other people. So, for example, I'm just going to take something as a template, and I can, of course, use Canva.com in order to create myself that pin for completely free. Now, just take a look at this. If you type in Pinterest pin in here in Canva search, you have this Pinterest pin. You click on it, and then you will be led to see all of these templates. Okay. Now, you can just choose for some gift cards or some cards and invitations, or you can just search like this, giveaway or gift card, and you will get a lot of these free templates. Okay. Now, the other thing that you can do is you can just search for Amazon gift card and you can download one of these pictures, okay? So let's say, I don't know, that we choose, I don't know, let's find some which has like $500 on it. Or if you just can't find it, just use whichever one you want. So I don't know, let me, for example, choose, I don't know, let's take this one. This one sounds nice. I can just right click on it and I can just save link as, save image as, and then in Canva I can choose something, certain giveaway. For example, this one, I don't have to pay for this one, it is for free. I customized this template, and of course I can just input my picture that I have downloaded. I click here on uploads, and then I just click on upload files, and of course I'm gonna get my picture uploaded. And here's what I have to do. I have to put it in here, okay? I have to resize it, so I just now have to create a certain pin with this giveaway sign. I can just delete this one, I can delete this one, giveaway Amazon, just make this look beautiful, okay? And it has to be seen. This Amazon has to be seen. That's what we have to do. Just decide on which design you want to get, okay? Just play with this. It is pretty easy. Just drag and drop. Once you are done, click on the share button here. Click on the download button, and then click on the download once again. Then you go over to your account on Pinterest.com, you click here on this arrow, and then you go and create a new pin. You can click on your profile picture as well, and click on the plus icon here. Click on the plus icon, click on pin, and then in there you have to drop your design in there. Okay, so upload that image, and the title you can just copy and paste. Go to CPA Grip, copy this title that it is in there, and then just paste that title in there. So you just have to, for example, just write email address. That's it. That's what people need to do. Okay, I misspelled this one. And then this is the most important part, which is a destination link. Destination link is, of course, going to be your referral link, your affiliate link from CPA Grip. Paste that link in there. And once you make yourself a design, just publish this one. And 1 billion people are going to see that, guys. At least, I don't know, 1,000 people are going to convert on this pin exactly. And then you just go and make another one, okay? So just use this to your own advantage. A lot of people are using it, so why couldn't you as well? And of course, there's a ton of these offers. Just use one, then go with 2, 3, 4. The more you do, the more cash you will get. So just go and do it. Take the action.